Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple and updated steps to export a Word file from Dropbox on your mobile device. Whether you need to send a document to a colleague, save it to a different app, or just want to back up your work, this guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. First things first, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all your files. Once you're in, look towards the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This section holds all the documents you've uploaded, including that Word file you want to export. Next, scroll through your files until you find the Word document you want to share or export. When you spot it, look for the three dots located next to the file name. This button opens up additional options related to that file. Tap on those three dots to reveal a menu. In the menu that appears, tap on Share. This opens a new set of choices that let you send the file to others or move it around different locations. But instead of sharing directly, look for and tap on the option labeled Export. This is exactly what you need to save or send your Word document outside of Dropbox. After selecting Export, a list of destination options will pop up. This could be cloud storage apps, email, messaging apps, or even your device's native file storage. Choose the destination that fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, confirm it, and Dropbox will handle the rest, exporting your Word file smoothly to your chosen location. And that's it. By following these easy steps, open Dropbox, tap Files, use the three dots beside your Word doc, tap Share, select Export and pick your destination. You'll have your document wherever you need it in no time. Thanks for watching.